What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to use a foam cannon. And today I got my favorite foam cannon here, the MJJC. I'm going to show you how it works, how to use it. That way you're ready to get your foam cannon, you're ready to go. So what I do here first is fill up my foam cannon. Now we're going to be filling this up to about 750 milliliters. It's about halfway. Since we have this vehicle here, that'll be enough. So you just want to go ahead and put some water in your foam cannon. What I'm using here is McGuire's Auto Shampoo. This is a foam cannon ready shampoo. It's great, smells great, good for outdoors. So once I put maybe about 1 or 2 ounces of product, go ahead and shake it up. And then we have a quick connect here. So we just easily attach it to our pressure washer gun, and we're good to go. So from here, then you got a dial. Now what you're going to do is for in my case, I always set it to maximum, so I spin it to the right. If you go all the way, then you're going to get yourself the maximum foam. Now if you put it the other way, if you go counterclockwise, it's going to introduce more water, which in return you're going to get less foam, and it's going to be a lot more watery. We don't want that. So go ahead and put it all the way to the right, and then from here we adjust the mouthpiece and we are good to go. Now one tip that I would give you guys is when you attach anything to your pressure washer, you always want to shoot down, making sure it's tight. So we're good to go. Let's go ahead and foam up the vehicle. Now, when you applying a auto shampoo like this, is pH neutral. Doesn't matter how you apply it, up, down, left, right, doesn't matter, as long as you have even coverage. Now, if you want to go ahead and apply a pre-soak, then you go from the bottom up. And there you go, guys. So now you do the contact wash and you'll be good to go. So let me know down in the comments down below, what is your favorite foam cannon and what is your favorite auto shampoo? And I'll see you guys next time.